What's up, fam? We're back with the go-kart today, and as you guys can see, I tossed out the old steering wheel. I mean, not the steering wheel, the old seat, and I'm getting a new steering wheel because I broke this one. And added a new floor to it. I extended it some more so I could fit in it better. So I ended up like pushing it and, you know, making the shopping cart a little bit bigger. I fit in there a little bit better than the last time, so I won't be all squished in. And I ordered some parts from Go Power Sports. You know, I got the intake kit. It's technically the stage 1 kit, and it comes with like a carb jet and intake, a header. I got a nice little beautiful header right here we're about to install. Also, what else? That's pretty much it. So we're gonna be getting rid of the we're gonna get rid of this, and we're gonna get rid of this. So let's go ahead and get that going. I was gonna paint it, but I thought I had black, you know, like high temperature paint, but I don't. It's red, and I don't want to paint those red because my intake is blue. But then it's gonna be covered in yellow, so I don't want to do that. It's gonna look like Ronald McDonald over here. So, oh, and also I got a little. So this is a brake lever, but in my case, I'm using it for gas on the steering wheel. So that's gonna be going here. But I can't install that yet until the steering wheel gets here, or I'm trying to see if somebody online is willing to sell me the one they got, and then I'll work with that and try to, you know, manage to fit this in there. And so we're gonna wait on that. So that's all I got going on. So let's go ahead and install this kit and get that going. Oh, that's gas. There's definitely gas. I had to do a couple pulls. Hopefully now I can try it. Alright, so it's so much louder. Yeah, it's really loud compared to the last little stock exhaust. So now what we're gonna do is wait for the rest of the parts. Alright, fam, so yesterday I ended up installing the steering wheel into the go-kart. I have a mask on because I just went to the store, and you're not allowed to go to the store without a mask. So I just kept it on. And either way, I got to paint in a bit, so I'll just keep it on. So I ended up installing the steering wheel yesterday. So on the go-kart, I have very small, slow leaks on 2 of the tires, like really small leaks. So we're gonna fill those suckers up with slime. Slime's kind of perfect for stuff like that if they're really small. You know, a lot of people tend to put them on other stuff, and it won't work due to that. The hole's way too big. So this tire's flat, and those 2 back, and we're just gonna add slime on both. Alright, so I installed the steering wheel yesterday, and I'm gonna throw this on and off button, which is pretty cool, instead of me reaching back to that red button. But yeah, so when I was airing up the tires the other day, I noticed that the leaks are coming from the valve cores. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off these valve cores. I don't know about these ones. These ones look way different than those, so we'll see if they actually hold there, because these are two different kind. I'm pretty sure these ones will do good. So there again, put them in, and let me just see if they hold. Okay. Yep, they're pretty good. So the way these break is, see where that little red like little line is at? Where that little red line is at, that's where the like dirt and corrosion gets, and then they tend to leak from there, because that's like the open and closing spot. So I tended to have some more. I always have some in the garage. Sometimes that's what causes a slow leak on the tire, but for right now, since this one's low air, and I have some slime right here, we're just gonna throw that in there just a little bit. Alright, so I made that little plate yesterday, and you know, simple. I just put the steering wheel over, and on the inside of the piping I ended up putting like let's see if you guys can see it, there's like a nut in there. So when I put the steering wheel, it's like there's no play with it at all. So this steering wheel is kind of a little rusty, so we are gonna paint it gloss black. Simba, you're looking real ugly right now. Steering wheel's all nice and done. I painted that a little bit of blue, because it was kind of like, I kind of grinded off the little weld spots right there, just back to like level it. And now we can just put this steering wheel back on. Alright fam, so now we're good to go. We threw the steering wheel on. I'm probably gonna order one of these cables a little bit bigger. Steering is actually pretty good, no problems. Tires are all right up. So now we're gonna go test drive it. Everything's all tightened up. I don't think I'm missing anything. So let's go. Alright, so I drove it around the block, but it seemed slower, and I figured out the problem. Earlier when I tampered with it, I ended up moving this screw forward, so when I do the throttle, it stops it right there. So I'm gonna try to get some more throttle. We need some more than that. Alright fam, that's gonna be it for today's video. Just a couple drift videos. Hopefully you guys saw enough with the drone that I'm gonna put up. But yeah, the next video hopefully we can get the rest of it going. I mean, it's pretty much done. It goes pretty freaking fast. I'm gonna try to hook up this button, and I'm gonna try to finish the downpipe on the next video for the turbo MIATA. Try to get that going because we need to get it tuned, but I got some stuff coming up first, so we got to get that going and we're good to go. I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure you guys subscribe, and peace. Wait, before anything, I am selling these stickers called all gas no brakes. Let me know if you guys are interested in one. I'm selling them $7 shipped. All the money that comes to this is just support for my builds. Nothing much really. Like, I mean, I built that one out of pocket, so I did in my car. So anything, like when you guys buy these, I do send more than one thing. So if you guys buy a sticker, you guys will get more than one sticker. You guys will get a couple more things. So for $7, you cannot beat that. Let me know if you guys are interested, and you guys go ahead and have a good one. Peace out.